Hello students, welcome back. Today I am back with one more very important problem from the VTU model question paper of the fresh 25 scheme, that is 1 mat BS 101. The problem is, let F be a linear transformation defined in the vector space R square through F x y is equal to 2x plus y comma 3x plus 2y. Show that F is invertible and hence find F inverse. I am going to solve this problem in a very simple easy way. So please pay close attention, don't skip any part, better practice along with me for better understanding. Now, see, the question clearly says define a vector space R square. Then we see x, y, two-dimensional real numbers. Okay, that is F from R square to R square. And the F is defined as F x comma y equals 2x plus y comma 3x plus 2y. Am I right? Okay. Now, we need to show that F is invertible. See, function F is said to be invertible if its matrix has a determinant which is not equal to 0. Listen carefully, for a function F, if its matrix has a determinant equal to 0, it's said to be non-invertible. But if the determinant is not equal to 0, then it is what? Invertible. Getting the point? That means we need to find the matrix of the function here. So how we do it? So simple. We can write this from the theory basics. We can write this as in the matrix form as say 2x plus y. So 2, 1, 3 and 2. As simple as that. Into x and y, the variables. Okay, that means this will be f x comma y equals a x y. Okay, that's it. Now from this I know that matrix A equals 2, 1, 3, 2. It implies the determinant of A will be very simple determinant. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1, that is not equal to 0. That means I write here determinant of A not equal to 0. That implies therefore F is what? Invertible. Since the determinant is not equal to 0, F is invertible. That's all. So I prove the first part here. We showed that F is invertible. Very simple. Okay. Now the next part is find F inverse. I write here to find F inverse. Okay. Now to find F inverse, we need to find A inverse. I'll show you why we need that. But first, let's find A inverse here. Now, as we have A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 2 implies A inverse will be equal to, see, we can find A inverse in two ways. One is the traditional which you have learned in your 11th and 12th standard, that is the formula. That is because it's simple 2x2 matrix. So we know if A is equal to, say, A, B, C, D, then A inverse is written as 1 upon determinant of A into, you know, this A and D swaps, it changes, D comes here and A goes here, but the signs, this B and C changes in sign. That's all. Based upon this theory, we can write this as 1 upon determinant is 1 here as we found out, and let's try this out. See, here 2 and 2 obviously both are same, so it doesn't matter, they remain same as it is, but this changes in sign, so we get here minus 3 and this becomes minus 1. So this is the A inverse. So we have A inverse equals 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2 because determinant is 1 here. Okay. Now, since we got A inverse, Yeah, and also one more thing, we can find this A inverse making use of a scientific calculator also. I have the FX 991 7W here. So later on, then you go to home. You better clear the memory here. Otherwise, you may get wrong answer. So calculate, then settings, go to reset, initialize all. Okay, done. Now you need to go to the matrix mode. Okay, then press tools, then matrix A, rows is 2, define the rows as 2 and define the column as also 2. So we have enter the matrix here for which we want to find inverse, that is A matrix. 2, execute 1, execute 3, execute 2, execute. Now to find A inverse, press catalog, then matrix A, matrix A inverse. See, inverse button is here. Below the shift golden button, right, there is a X. After X, 1, 2, third button, that is press shift, raise to inverse, execute. So we get the same answer, it is 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 2. That's it. Okay, now we have found A inverse here. After finding A inverse, how do you use this to find the F inverse here? See, very simple. We have F of xy is equal to A xy. That implies F inverse of xy will be equal to A inverse xy. That is F inverse of xy equals, what is the inverse? What you have found? 2 minus 1 minus 3 2, 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 into xy. Okay, that means F inverse will be now F inverse xy will be the inverse of the matrix will be now, see, 2x minus y, 2x minus y, comma, minus 3x plus 2 into y, 2y. So minus 3x plus 2y. That's all, as simple as that. Now we have showed both things. First we have showed that F is invertible, and from that we have found the F inverse matrix has to be 2x minus y comma minus 3x plus 2y. That's it, as simple as that. I hope you clearly understood how to solve this question now, but practice it to remember the each and every step here. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts or comment, or if you want me to solve any other problem, then please post in the comment below. Share this video with a friend, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. So see in the next video with more important problems. Till then, happy engineering, be confident, stay positive. Bye.